Namaste. This is Vaidya Samarth P. Rao from Amrita Ayurvedic Center, Basangudi. I am an Ayurvedic physician. This episode, I'm going to continue from the last episode of what things to do in case you have an ear disease, you have a ear health problem, all the foods and activities that you need to do to maintain the health of your ears, hearing. Ayurveda, we say the root cause to a health problem is inappropriate or excess use of your sense organs towards the sense objects. When you hear very loud voices, when you continuously hear something, it can be nuisance and it can destroy your ears. Or somebody gives you a wrong advice and you follow it and you fall sick. The root cause for a lot of your health problems is because of your sense organs, inappropriate or excess use of sense objects. So, in the case of hearing, Ayurveda gives a few things. By doing this, you can help in healing your tinnitus of the ear or the ringing noise in your ear, deafness, all this. If you have all these problems, you can do this and you can heal them. The first Ayurveda says is you got to speak less. You should not talk a lot. By talking a lot, it also affects the ears because the ear is constantly hearing, there's vibrations going around. Talk less. Second, Ayurveda also says maintain celibacy. Now, this is unquestioned, but celibacy is one thing Ayurveda in our textbook Vaisesya Ratnavali recommends if you are having ear problems. In food items, Ayurveda says you have to consume wheat. Wheat in form of chapati or different kinds of wheat preparations like bread, bun, especially out of good organic wheat is very helpful for ear problems. Consuming rice also is very good for ear problems. In the lentils, we have moong dal or green gram, barley, also a super grain. See, the property of barley is a shroto shodaka. Or any minute channels in your body, by consuming barley, these channels open up and the food items and whatever they pass through very smoothly. There are small minute channels in the body at every level in our body. Whether even for the hearing, there are channels and tubes. For eyes viewing also there are channels and tubes. For what we eat, the gut is a big tube. So there are tubes and channels everywhere, even the reproductive system, fallopian tubes. So this barley consuming clears all these channels. And for hearing, you see shape of a conch, and that tube also can be very cleared by consuming barley. Ayurveda says this. Ayurveda also says consuming old variety of ghee. 1-year-old ghee has medicinal properties, but that should not be too very old also. But 1-year-old ghee that is preserved properly in a proper kind of a container without any kind of a infiltration inside can definitely help in ear conditions. Consuming moringa drumsticks. The moringa leaf is very useful. Along with that, moringa drumsticks. Chewing moringa drumsticks also can help in a lot of healing in your hearing problems. Another very important thing that I will tell you is a procedure called Karna Purana, filling the ears with oil. The best form of it is warm till oil. Make sure you take pure sesame oil, pure cooking sesame oil. You warm it up. It should not be too hot. It should be warm, very warm. You turn one side and pour a few drops into it till it completely closes. Wait for a little while, say a minute or 60 seconds. Then turn it around and put it into the other ear. Let the oil flow out. By putting warm oil, it reduces the vata dosha in the ears. Second, it also removes the wax, melts the wax and removes the wax. Okay. If you are not accustomed to do this procedure, you can come and visit me or another Ayurvedic doctor. We will help you do the Karna Purna procedure appropriately, properly. If you have a ear condition where you'll have to look at a specialist, you should not be doing Karna Purna. So Karna Purna procedure should be done in individuals without health problems that can help. If you have certain ear problems, also there are certain medicated oils that can be inserted into the ears. A good registered Ayurvedic medical doctor can definitely assist you with that. This episode, I have talked to you about all the different things you need to consume and do to protect the health of your ears. Next episode, I'm going to talk to you about another disease. Till then, thank you.